on, y'all? This is Quan from Befitnomenal. So if you have a tonal machine, I'm going to give you 5 exercises that you're probably not doing that you need to implement in your tonal workout. Let's get into it. When you go to the tonal, you'll see all movements. So I realized they don't have a lot of the movements that I typically will do. So when you get to this screen, what I do is just press skip. Then you can do a free lift, and then from there choose whatever weight that you want to choose, and then we can get straight to it. Free lift, however you want to do it. So this first one right here is a squat to a row. So this is a full body movement right here. So you're working a lot of different muscles. You're working your biceps, working your shoulders, as you see, you're working your legs and your core. So this is a really good one right here. If you look in the tonal, it's not going to have it in there. So make sure you press skip and then just choose a weight that you're comfortable with. Maybe for males, 20 to 25 is good to start off with. Females, maybe 15 to 20 is a good one. For this one right here, cable back fly. So I really love this. You can call it X flies, a lot of different names, but this targets your back and your shoulders. As you can see, you really want to keep it about shoulder level with. So I'm keeping it out, pulling it out, and I'm trying to pull my chest out and squeeze my back. So focus on your back muscles as you're doing this one. So squeeze the back and go all the way out. Main thing is you want to control the weight and don't let it pull you forward. So I'm trying to control it as I'm lowering the weight back down and then squeezing. Right here is a straight arm pull down. So they have a lot of back exercises on the tonal, but I don't see the straight arm pull down. So what I do is raise the tonal all the way up, put the barbell, and I want to control it. So what I'm trying to do here is lean over, and I'm trying to bring it all the way up until like over my head, or at least to my ears, and then down. So I'll give you another view of this, a side view. So I try to go all the way up, control it, and down. One of my favorite back exercises, but it also works your core and your triceps. So several muscle groups this is hitting, but you just want to make sure you're controlling the weight. So this one, you don't want to go too heavy. About 7 out of 10 difficulty on this one will be perfect. Another exercise that I love to do that hits multiple muscle groups is the curl to press. So I didn't see this in here. I know they have a shoulder press and I know they have the curl, but they don't have a combo doing both of them. So this way you can save time and hit multiple muscle groups at once. So make sure you actually squeezing your core on this, and it's pretty self-explanatory. Just kind of curl it and then do an overhead shoulder press. All right, so go for about 10 to 15, about 4 sets. Doing this one right here. And the last one is the landmine twist. So typically if you're doing this in the gym, using a landmine on the floor, but on this one you're going to lower the tonal all the way to the bottom, and this one you want to hit at least 10 reps on each side and try to do it about 3 sets. So I'm reaching down, twisting, working that torso, working those obliques, also working those shoulders and those legs. So you're hitting a lot of different muscle groups all at once. You're saving a lot of time on this movement. Really great one. Landmine twist. Do one side, turn around, and do the other side. Let me know in the comments if this video was helpful. I think these are 5 really effective workouts that you can start implementing today. That's going to help you build strength and burn fat a lot more faster and efficient. So I post new videos on my channel every single week. So if you like the videos, go ahead and click and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.